Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name's Jennifer, and today we are here because we're going to be unboxing my March 2020 Stitch Fix box. For those of you who don't know, Stitch Fix is a personal styling service where you pay $20 to have a box styled for you. You fill out a style profile to tell your likes and your dislikes about fashion, and then you're paired with a stylist. He or she will choose 5 items to send to you in your box. Those items can be clothing, jewelry, shoes, accessories, scarves, purses, whatever you want. And in your profile, you can tell them the things that you want to have sent to you in your box or what you don't want to have sent. You get to try the items on in the comfort of your own home. Shipping is free both ways. And then you decide what you're going to keep and what you're going to send back. If you keep one item from your box, then that $20 styling fee does get applied to that item. And if you keep all 5 items, then you get a 25% discount and you get to apply the $20 styling fee. I don't have the $20 styling fee anymore because I signed up for the Style Pass over a year ago and I just renewed that Style Pass, so I have it for another year. And they offer that to you if you've done Stitch Fix for a couple months. Usually that gets offered to you. My husband just got that offer recently and he signed up to have that Style Pass so he can get clothes throughout the year without feeling obligated to keep any items from his box. So we're gonna get into this box to see what I got this month. When you open it up, it does give you the directions on what to do. It's really easy and convenient. You can do all the checkout online. And then, like I mentioned before, shipping is free both ways. So you get this prepaid mailer bag. It's got the address and everything already on it. You put anything that you're not gonna keep, or if you're doing any exchanges, they go in this bag too. You get an envelope, and inside the envelope, you do get your price invoice sheet. So I'm gonna set that to the side for right now. And this is my fix number 19. They do have this little card in here. They just started the Shop Your Looks, and basically what that is you can go in after you've purchased items. They put different items with what you've purchased, and you can go in and buy those separately as you please. So that's kind of neat. I haven't done that yet. It's very tempting, but it could also be dangerous. For me anyways. And then you have your style card. And on your style card, you have a note from your stylist, and I'm gonna read that real quick. I've had Kara the entire time that I've been with Stitch Fix, and I love her. And it says, "Hey, beautiful Jennifer, I hope you had an amazing Valentine's and President's Day weekend. We took a little break and took my daughter to a water park in Canada, and I got to check out Niagara Falls for the first time. I didn't realize how close it was for a nice little road trip. I was stoked to see that you loved your last fix and appreciate your kind words. I truly love styling you each time. February is a time when the sun is starting to shine more and spring is around the corner. This is always a great time of year to do spring cleaning to your closet, and let me know if there are any holes that we need to fill." I still have quite a few items. I went through my wardrobe over a year ago and really got rid of a lot of things, and so I'm slowly building that wardrobe back up. I focused this fix around neutral colored tops to pair back to your cargo vest. In my last fix, I got a green cargo vest and she sent a top with it, but I asked for maybe another top that could go with that cargo vest. You'll love everything from the mid-weight pullover to the floral blouse for spring. I threw in a pair of black jeans as well. Enjoy, XX Kara. And so you get these style cards that tell you how to style the items that are in your box, which is always nice. And here is my bundle. And there's those neutral colors. She talked about the black jeans, and there's a really pretty, looks like floral blouse. So we're gonna go ahead and open that up. So the first thing in my box is the West Key Oleksandra crew neck blouse in burnt orange. And it's a really pretty floral blouse. It looks like it's got some pink and some navy in there, I think. Maybe it's cream. Cream, navy, flowers. Yeah, so that's really pretty. I love just an easy blouse like this. Polyester blouses are really easy to wash, and I don't mind the elastic at the arm. It looks like it might be a 3/4 length sleeve, and the hem is the same in the front and in the back, so that's really pretty. Next is by Mixed by 41 Hawthorne, the Corinna brushed Dolman knit top in off-white. And it looks like this. And so it looks like it's got a taupe or kind of almost like a pink color to it. And it's a Dolman sleeve. It has a 3/4 sleeve. The Dolman doesn't look really, really big, and I think she sent this to put underneath that green, olive green cargo vest that I got last time. So that's really, really soft. That's nice. And I'll get the cargo vest and put it with these items. Next is a top by Pale Sky, and it is the Zehira embroidered detail top in off-white. Now I like white tops and things like that, but they tend to get kind of dirty. But it's got this, you might not be able to see, but it's got some embroidered detail right there. Looks like some leaves. Just a nice flowy top with some embroidery. It does have like a lining in the back here and a keyhole in the back, so you can see how there's a line in the midsection of the shirt. That's really pretty, but like I said, I tend not to wear a lot of white just because it gets so dirty so easily, but we'll see how that looks on. Next is a pink Clover Nickole textured pullover, and it says it's in yellow. I love the spelling of that Nickole. I don't know if you can see it, Nickole. That's how my oldest daughter's middle name is spelled. Her middle name is Nickole, and I like that. So it's funny, I've gotten a piece with my youngest daughter's name too, Ashlyn, so that's cute. But anyways, it's just a soft, really soft pullover, and I love pink Clover because their items are so soft and comfy. It's not too heavy. It's got a rounded hem. It looks like it's slightly longer in the back, but nothing major. It's got a rounded neck. And I think she sent that to go underneath that cargo vest as well, so that's pretty. It's like almost like it's yellow, but it's got some mixed cream in there as well, so that's really pretty and comfortable. And then last but not least are the jeans. Now I have a horrible time with pants because I'm 5'10" tall and I need like a 33 to 34 inch inseam. The last jeans I kept from Stitch Fix had a 34-inch inseam and they fit perfectly. But I kind of fluctuate between a 12 and a 10, and so the last time I had to size down to a 10. I'll be interested to see if they fit, but they are Democracy Kathryn Bootcut Jean in black, and it's a size 12, and it's a dark black boot cut. Just a basic, no distressing or anything like that. It says it has absolution, featuring slimming panels constructed to mold and hold and boost your assets. I could use a little boosting of my assets, so that would be okay with me. It's just a matter of whether they're, last time I had a 12, they bag in like the, around the crotch area and in the legs, so I had to size down. So we'll see how these fit. So on to the try on. All right guys, so I'm back with the first two pieces, and the first thing I have on is this top by West Key. This is the West Key Oleksandra crew neck blouse in burnt orange, and it feels like it's just that polyester material. It's got a really nice print. The sleeves are about 3/4, maybe a little longer. They've got that elastic at the bottom. It comes down long enough because I like to cover up as much of my bottom as possible. And yeah, I think I like this. What do you guys think? It's got some, now that I can see it a little bit better, like navy blue and a lighter blue and some cream. So this would look good with just a pair of regular jeans as well. Yeah, I've got a mirror off to the side here, so that's what I'm looking at. Yeah, it is a little bit shorter in the front, so it does have a little bit of that high-low action going on. I do have on the jeans. I'm going to bend you down a little bit so you can see them a little bit better. They are, I have a cream tank underneath here. They fit pretty good. They do have some bagging right here, and they are pretty stretchy, so I think I could go down if I wanted to, but they're probably also the type of pant that will shrink when you wash them. They're a nice dark wash. They come down to a good length on me. They're great for boots. Yeah. Yeah. I don't know about the Democracy brand. Do they stretch out a lot? Because I can grab a handful here. But they fit good in the waist. It's just like right here in the crotch area that can be, I don't know if you guys can see that or not. Can be a little bit of an issue right there, a little bit of bagging. So I might see if I can size down to a 10, because that's what I had to do with the the mauve jeans I kept last time. So, but overall, I really like them. They're nice and comfortable. So I'm gonna try on the next top. Be right back. All right, guys, we are back with the third piece, and this is the Pale Sky Zehira embroidered detail top in off-white. And it's just a very flowy top. I almost wonder if it's a little too big because it's super flowy. But it has some really pretty embroidered detail with the leaves and right through here. The sleeves are very flowy. It is a long tunic style, and it kind of has like this kind of up and down hem here. It does cover my bottom. It's got that line I talked about right there. And it's got the keyhole. It is a little bit thin. So like you can see the tag right here. So it's a little thin. You definitely have to wear something underneath of it. It's pretty. I just don't know that I love it. Is it too big? I mean, it looks pretty big. I am losing a little bit of weight, and so my sizes keep fluctuating. But what do you guys think? I left on the black pants, and it goes good with that. I'm trying to see if these pants stretch out a lot. Yeah, so I like it, but I just don't know that I love this top. So we're gonna try on the next sweater, and I'll be right back. So I'm back with the fourth piece, and this is the Mixed by 41 Hawthorne Corinna brush knit Dolman top in yellow, it says. I don't know that I would call it yellow. It's more like a taupe, like a pinky taupe. I don't mind a Dolman sleeve as long as it's not big, and this one's not real big. I like the 3/4 sleeve. Has that rounded neck. It does come down really well. It covers the bottom really well. Very soft, very soft. So I like that about it. And I do think she sent this to go with the cargo jacket, so I'm gonna try that on real quick. All right, guys, what do you think about this with the cargo, the olive cargo jacket? I think it's cute. Be good to transition into the spring. I think the colors go well together. Yeah, so I do like this. Give me your opinion. I'll be right back with the next sweater. So I'm back with the fifth and final piece, and this is the Pink Clover Nickole textured pullover in yellow. And yellow has never been like one of my favorite colors, but I don't mind it. It's growing on me. It has like a mix of yellow and cream. It's very soft because it's from Pink Clover. The sleeve length is really good. It has the rounded hem with a little slit up on the side, which is cute. It does cover my bottom, which I like. And I do think it's light enough that it could transition me into spring, but you guys tell me what you think. I am gonna try it with that cargo vest just to see. So I'm back with the cargo vest with this yellow pullover from Pink Clover, and I think it looks good. I think the colors go well together. It's light enough that I don't think it would make me too hot. Yeah, so I think it's a good little combination. I'm still learning what to do with these strings right here. If you have any suggestions, let me know. But overall, I think it looks cute together. What do you guys think? All right, so I'll be back to do a recap and to talk about some prices. All right, guys, I'm back to do a recap and to talk about some prices and kind of make some decisions on what I'm going to keep and what I'm going to send back. The first thing on my list are the Democracy Kathryn Bootcut Jeans in black, and these are size 12. These are one of my questionable items because I am losing weight. My last pair of jeans I got from Stitch Fix, I had to size down to a 10. These are super stretchy, super comfortable. They feel good around the waist, but they feel like they're bagging in the crotch area. And I know if it's gonna do that with just wearing it for a little bit, I'm worried that it will continue to bag out and get stretchy throughout the day. So I will look on the app to see if I can exchange for a 10, and if I can, I'll keep them. If I can't, I'm not sure that I'll keep them because I don't want to buy something that I'm not going to be able to wear because it stretches out. So, but they are $78, and that's kind of normal for Stitch Fix jeans. If you know anything about that Democracy brand, let me know if they stretch out throughout the day. I have a feeling that they do. But next is the West Key Oleksandra crew neck blouse in burnt orange, and that was this cute little polyester top. And I love tops like these just because they're easy to care for. It had that little elastic sleeve, which doesn't bother me. cute little keyhole in the back. And so I think I'm going to be keeping this one for sure. This is $42. Next was the Mix by 41 Hawthorne Corinna brush knit Dolman top. And it says it's in off-white, but it looks like off-white and like a taupe, or like almost like a pink taupe. And this was the Dolman top, but it's not a super big Dolman, which I prefer. I don't like it to be really big. And super soft and comfortable, and I thought it looked really good underneath that cargo vest. So I think I'm going to keep this one. It is the cheapest thing in the box at $38. So yeah, I like that one. Next is the pink Clover Nickole textured pullover in yellow. And that was this one that had like the yellow and the cream mixed coloring going there. Really cute rounded hem, very soft. I think I like that. And I also thought it looked cute under the cargo vest as well. And it is $44. And then the last item is this pale sky top. And it's cute, but I do wonder if it's a little too big, because it was really kind of, it's a flowy top, and it's meant to be flowy, but it was really big in the midsection. And I just wonder if it's too big. I am curious about the care instructions. Let's see what it says. It says dry clean. That may be a deal breaker, because I don't dry clean anything. I don't really hand wash anything either. I think it's pretty, but I just don't know that it's worth, it's $78. It's a pretty pricey top, and I'd hate to buy it and wash it and ruin it, so I'm not sure. So my two questionable items are this top and those jeans. And normally what I do, if I don't keep all 5 items, I end up sending 2 of my items back. But anyways, the stylist fixed subtotal was $280. If I keep all 5 items, I get a 25% discount, which would take off $70, which makes the order subtotal $210. Like I said, I don't have the $20 styling fee because I have the Style Pass. It says I have a $50 promo credit here. I've been having a $50 referral link that I will put in the video if it's still active. And basically that gives you $50 to have the box shipped to you for free, and then $50 to spend on anything that's in your box. So that makes for a pretty good deal. And if mine is not available, then I will link my husband's referral link, because he has a $50 referral link going right now. So I'll put one or the other in there for you. But before I did my video, I checked. I have $250 credit due to 5 people signing up using that $50 link. So I just want to say thank you to Jessica S., Heather T., Lori C., Cameron W., and Sandy S. And if you got your box and you watched this video, please leave in the comments if you liked it. I hope you enjoy it just as much as I do. Stitch Fix has been very convenient and very easy for me, and I appreciate the simplicity of having the clothes sent to me and being able to try them on in the comfort of my own home. So technically I could get this whole box for free with a little extra credit left over, but I'm not sure what I'm gonna do. Like I said, that the jeans and that pale sky top are in question. So you guys leave me comments in the comments boxes below and tell me what you think I should keep. And until next time, bye guys.